Hello there, it's Aaron again. I'm bringing you a random rambling video. I started this on December 11th in 2024 at 4:25 p.m. Along with welcoming you to my channel, allow me to thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe before sharing this video and turning on the post notification bell. This is basically an audio check because I played back my last video and it sounded like I was gurgling cum the whole time. I'm not saying I wasn't gurgling cum, I'm just saying it sounded like that. I didn't like that it sounded like that. So I'm playing this back, hopefully the problem is corrected and I don't sound like I'm gurgling cum. I am gurgling cum in this video, but I hope it doesn't sound like that. Hopefully you can understand what I'm saying in this video. I'm going to play it back and find out in just un momento. Un momento, señores and señores. Alright, well here I go. I'm going to hang it up. 2 fingers, A-Dub Club. Peace!